Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking's Easy. Today I'm sharing a beautiful pasta recipe with you guys. The chicken Florentine pasta is one of the best modern pasta recipes. It is really underrated and not many people talk about how good it is. It is a complete storehouse of flavor and it's pretty simple. So without wasting any more time, let's get on with the video. First of all, we start by boiling the pasta. For that, take a saucepan and put it on the stove. Pour in about 750 ml of tap water and add in a few large pinches of salt. Put it on high heat and let it come to a rolling boil. As it begins to boil, add in 150 grams of pasta. Here I'm using penne, which is kind of the best choice for looks as well as taste because this can hold sauce within it. Other types of pastas would work, but I would highly recommend using this. Let it cook covered for 5 minutes and leave it without the lid for another 10 minutes. After the pasta is done, you can strain away the excess liquid and keep the pasta in a covered bowl for later while we make the sauce. Now, we're going to make a beautiful Florentine sauce with all the fresh ingredients that you see beside me. To make the sauce, start off by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a frying pan. To the oil, add a small slice of butter, which is around a tablespoon. Add in a teaspoonful of chopped garlic, which is around 3 large cloves of garlic. Reduce the heat and let the garlic brown. In the meanwhile, slice up 5 to 6 button mushrooms and add them to the oil. Let it cook for around a minute. After the mushroom has softened up, add in 3/4 cup of chicken or vegetable stock. Traditionally, Italians use white wine here, but you can use stock or just plain water with a teaspoon of salt instead. If you have, you can add some dried herbs like oregano, basils and thyme. I have a bottle with all of them mixed. This gives an extra punch of flavor. Let it reduce for around 30 seconds and add in 1 cup of heavy cream or cooking cream. Now, when the cream comes to a boil, add in a handful of baby spinach or just small spinach leaves without the hard stalks. Now, let this cook in the sauce until it wilts and mixes with the sauce. Here, I added a few boiled pieces of chicken, but you can also opt to skip it if you're a vegetarian. Once you have it completely incorporated, add in all the pasta and get it completely mixed with the sauce. After the pasta is completely covered with the sauce, take it off the heat and you have a pan full of pasta that is not only delicious but also really amazing looking. If you want, you can serve it right now and eat it as it is. But like me, if you like everything at the next level, follow on with the recipe. Take a large glass bowl. You can use a casserole also if you have one. Pour in all the pasta from the pan and make sure to get all of the sauce that is stuck at the bottom. Now, cover it with 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Make sure you distribute it evenly all throughout the top. Then put it in the oven preheated to 200 degrees for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts and starts to brown. While you take it out of the oven, I'm sure the amazing smell is more than enough to make anyone's day. After it's done, try serving it as soon as possible as it's best when eaten fresh right out of the oven. So guys, that's it from the video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please try this recipe at home. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And also do check out my previous recipes from the description if you haven't already. I am Ankush, this is Cooking's Easy and I hope to see you guys in the next one.